Hey Alan, how you going, mate?
G'day, Michael. Yeah, good, thanks.
One question I wanted to ask you when we caught up earlier was, it sounds so interesting what you do. If I wanted to be a part of that action as an investor, I've always had an interest in property, but I don't know where to start. You're an expert in how to start and finish. How would someone like me get involved? What are the options for me to maybe partner with you or invest and support your growth, but also you help me grow my wealth, I guess?
I get asked that a lot. So firstly, we'll have a chat. We'll sit down and see what you want, right?
Okay.
See where you want to go.
Yeah.
Because there's different ways you can invest with us, and in different properties, as we discussed before. There's renovations and land development, so they're all different time frames.
Okay.
So it depends on how long you want your money invested for.
Right.
Sit down, I'll discuss all that with you, and then if you're happy, then you go off to your consultants like solicitor and accountants and get deal ready. When you're ready, then we'll sit down and say, right, I'm ready. Align which project that you want up. If you want a real short-term or long-term project.
Okay. You will give me the guidance about how to get ready, and then when the whistle starts, but I can choose where I'm playing for half time or full time, like a short term or long term.
That's right. Because a lot of people don't want to have their money tied up for 3 years.
True.
And some do.
Yeah.
Some people do want to say, yeah, have my money for as long as it is.
And I'm sure the question a lot of people will have, I certainly would have, is sounds like there's a really strong process there. What are the returns? What can you expect? And I know you can't commit to things, but what would be the range of returns that from a short term through to long term you'd typically try to aim for?
Could range between 10-15% returns if you're a money partner, or if it's a profit share arrangement, then then you would have a profit percentage share at the end of the project.
Yeah, right.
Two different risk profiles. One depends on the project completion, the outcome. The other one is just you get a return just like a bank, a lot better than a bank.
Yeah, right.
Yeah.
Oh, mate, thank you so much. Thank you for sharing that with me, because one of the things about property is that everyone seems to invest in it, but being a bit analytical myself, I go, look, if I'm going to invest, I want to have done it right, but I don't know where to start. Yeah. I don't know what I'm going to get at the end. So if you already have that formula worked out, I guess it's much safer to give the money to you and you execute, and I just get the return that you know is achievable, rather than inflated expectations and under-delivered. You're going to do it the other way around, probably.
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah.
And one thing that you just said there, you want to do business with people that you like, right?
Yeah, 100%.
That's a big thing.
Trust is so important, isn't it?
So with someone that's coming in that don't know us that well, we'll have to sit and build a relationship.
Yeah.
And you get to see what we do. And if you like what we do and we talk through it, then away we go.
Yeah. If right time, right person, right fit, and then you get going. Yeah, long-term customers, that shows value, right? Just right there, right? Yeah, that's wonderful. Mate, thanks so much for sharing all that with me.
No worries. Thank you.
Thanks, mate.
Cheers.
Cheers. Thank you.